Wondering how to make your relationship last forever. Being in a committed relationship is one of the coolest things in life. Having a best friend forever that you can both talk to about anything and kiss and cuddle all the time is pretty great. People in successful relationships often display some common behaviors. Although being in a relationship is wonderful, being in a truly bonded partnership is even better. If you're in a new relationship and think that you might have found the person you want to be with forever, you may be wondering if there's anything you can do to keep your relationship healthy, happy, and lasting long term. The following 6 behaviors are the great things to do to make sure your partner wants to stay in it for the long haul. This is how to keep him in love forever. 1. Choose wisely. Who you choose ultimately determines if your relationship will succeed or fail. Choose someone compatible who has the same values and vision for the future as you. 2. Don't chase him or force things. You can't force love. When you're with the right person, you won't have to manage everything to make the relationship flow, and you won't feel like you need to try to win him over. 3. Be a woman in his corner. See the full him, the man he is and the man he wants to be, and accept and appreciate all of it. Support him, admire him, and believe in him. 4. Love him the way he wants to be loved. Observe how he shows love for you and talk with him to learn what his love language is. Love him the way he experiences and love instead of how you do. 5. Have many sources of happiness. To keep him in love with you, you need to keep being you. Have a fun and fulfilling life outside of the relationship. You can't extract happiness from the relationship. Happiness is something you bring into the relationship. 6. Be your best self. Be your best self physically and emotionally. Be physically fit and healthy, and deal with your issues, so bring your best and happiest self into the relationship, making it one your guy wants to stay in.